Today I'm taking a look at this 12-pack of RV air filters that was sent to me so I could do the review. Let's go ahead and get them out of the plastic and get them installed in the AC. Alright, this is one of our AC units in our RV, and it normally has just this in there as a filter. It's really just a dust catch, and I have it, put up in here like this, and then it has the white cover like over there. You see on here it has one here too. So this has two filter sections on it. I'm not going to pull this out and replace it with the filter. I'm going to leave this in because this gives the filter housing this structure. If you just shove a filter up in there, you really don't have much structure in there, and I'll show you what I mean. You have like this and this, and I've always just been afraid that it might just suck up a filter in there. So I leave this structure in there, and then I put the filter on top of it. It probably reduces some of the airflow because it is kind of squishing that filter, but I've never really had an issue with the little filters that I put in here. I'm going to try it with these other ones that I just got and see if it reduces the airflow, but probably not very much. Alright, so as you can see, these are fitted really well. I have the AC running, so it's kind of sucking it up in there, but it's not sucking it up too much. It's not like gasping for air. I mean, it's still flowing air pretty good. The air's coming out good. Of course, it has two sides, but it does fit really well. So I'm going to go ahead and put the white cover on this, and we'll put this same type of filter on the other side. And that is now what it looks like with that filter in there. As you can see, it's blue now instead of black like you would see over here. I got the dump on, and it is dumping air pretty good. I haven't really noticed anything coming out, but again, it could be pulling harder from this side than this side. We're really going to know how much airflow it restricts when I put the other side on. These are MERV 6, it says, so it is filtering out dust and pollen and hair, anything else that's in the air. MERV 6 is a good medium. Alright, I've got both sides on, and it's still dumping air really well. I mean, it's still got a really strong flow. There may be a little bit of airflow that it's cutting out, but not enough for me to really notice. Of course, if it's a really hot day and you have your ACs running and they just can't keep up, first thing you want to check is to make sure you got good airflow in your ACs. So this would be the first thing I would check if we didn't have the ability to cool the RV down. But right now, the RV's running fine, and the air coming out is nice and cold and still blowing pretty hard. I really like these. I think you will too. Hope all this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.